I don't like to moan or find excuses, because the way the boys played, we have to be really proud. But now we have to play a replay against Man United because of big decision that went against us. It was a foul on Randolph, and then to concede this kind of a goal that basically it was not close to the line, it was way out, and it's simply not a penalty. We are not getting those kind of decisions. So we are gutted, basically. And in one hand, it's great. It's great when your team is gutted, when you play good, really good, and play 2-2 at Stamford Bridge, home of the champions. That shows that we are moving in a really good direction.